Hello, students. Perfection cannot be achieved instantly. It is only achieved by putting in a certain amount of time and effort. We know that practice makes a man perfect. So, if you do something again and again, then absolutely you achieve perfection. So, basis on that, Goal Seeker Academy introducing an artificial intelligence based practice platform. Here, you can do your adaptive practice, you can create your own test, and you get an instant report with detailed analysis. Now, I am going to show you how you can learn and practice using this platform to improve your performance. So students, this is your login page. Here you have to put your ID and your password. After putting your ID and your password, once you click on the login button, your page will look like this. You can see that your home tab is active, which is showing your notice board where you can access the notices produced by your faculty members. On the bottom of the notice board, your subjects are there, which is showing your performance, like how many questions you have practiced, and out of the practice questions, what is your accuracy. If you scroll down, you will get a bar chart. Here, how many questions an average top student should practice on a weekly basis is set. Now you have to practice more questions than the average top students. So this is like your competitor as well as your motivator. Now at the top of the screen, besides the home tab, you can see the tabs learn, practice and test. Once you click on learn, a drop-down list appears with three options: concepts, videos and study materials. Now suppose you want to learn any concept, then in that case you will have to click on learn the concept, specify your class, the subject and select the chapter you want to learn. Now topic wise concept appears on your screen. Choose the topic you want to learn and start learning. Now to watch the videos and read the study material, you have to repeat the same steps like you did to learn a concept. Now let us move forward to the practice tab. When you click on the practice tab, you will again see a drop-down list with the options session, homework, reports and all. To start practicing, click on session, select your class, the subject and click on new session. Dear students, please note you can select a maximum number of 3 chapters. Now select your practice preference, like which type of questions you want to solve, what is your difficulty level and what is your question specification. Now click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, the questions start appearing on your screen. These are multiple choice questions. You have to select the correct option and now click on submit your answer. Once you have submitted, the result is displayed on your screen. Whether the answer submitted by you is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, then well and good. You can move forward to answer the next questions. But in case your answer is incorrect, for the first time, you will be given the concept. Now, you can go through the concept, close the concept and try the same question again. If it is incorrect for the second time as well, then in that case, you will be given entire solution of the question. You can take a look at the solution and if you have any doubt in any of the question, then you can click on these 3 dots and save the question as mark for clarification. The question you mark for clarification will be sent to your faculty members. Once you have practiced all the questions, you can end the session by clicking on end session. Once you do this, you will get your detailed performance report which shows the number of questions you have practiced, your accuracy. This was all about the practice step. Now let us move forward to the test step. When you click on the test step, you will get the options to create your own test. Now select your time duration, select your difficulty level, select your chapters and click on start test and start solving the questions. Dear students, please note that you are not going to get any kind of concepts or solution in a test. You have a question navigator at the right hand side of the screen where you can have a look at the questions you have attempted, the questions you have missed and the questions which you have saved for later. Once you have attempted all the questions, click on the end button. Again, you get your detailed performance report which has a number of the questions correct, number of questions incorrect and the accuracy as well as the solution to the questions which were incorrect. Under the test tab, you have another option that is Institute Test. If you choose this option, then you will be able to give the test created by your institute. That's all about the test tab. Now let us have a look at the live class tab. When you click on live class, you will get the details of all the scheduled live classes. You can attend the classes as per your schedule by clicking on My Bookings. Now clicking on this watch symbol and attend the class. If in case you have missed any class, no need to worry. Just click on live classes dashboard and here you will be able to get your all recorded past live classes. That's all. Isn't it amazing? So my dear students, I hope you will make good use of this facility and will increase your marks. Take care. All the best. Happy learning.